So before I will connect to AI and stuff like that, I want to refactor, okay? Refactoring, again, is like taking pieces of codes that are really long and make them shorter, make them more optimized. So I will tell him in the chat mode, refactor any components you see that we need to optimize in our code. Okay, and let's send it. So basically what's going on now is that it's going through our code and it's telling us how we can improve it. Okay, that's all it's doing. We won't see any difference here. It just will make our work with the AI better next. And because next I want to implement the AI function with the API and ChatGPT, I want to make sure my system is optimized. So let's implement the optimizations. And I really suggest you guys do it every time when you fix like a big error, like I had here with the video uploads. You're in a good place now? Great. This is the time to fix all the small stuff that you're not aware of that will make you problems later on. It's really, really important. I can't address how much it's important, because if you will ignore it or forget about it, you will have tons of problems later on, okay? For sure. Okay, now that we finished with it, before I proceed, by the way, I put more formats that we can upload, because it was only video files and I want also audio files. So for example, if I will go here and I will find some kind of audio file, for example that. Okay, it's actually interesting. We see here that we have only those supported files. So let's take a picture of that, put it here and say, we're supposed to support also audio files. Why I get this error? Now another thing I should have done is do it actually in the preview mode. Okay, so select media, let's upload it. And yeah, he's still saying it to me, so okay, it wasn't related to that. And let's see what he's saying. Okay, he's giving me a plan, let's implement that. And actually he's pretty smart, because he understands that when I just upload audio files, it shouldn't have a thumbnail, because it's not a video. So I actually like that he understood that, because I forgot about it. Okay guys, so basically right now the only thing that stopping us is that he still don't understand that when I'm uploading an audio, he don't need to generate a thumbnail image. Like if you can see, when I'm trying now to upload an audio, it's telling me he failed to generate thumbnail, and that's because he need to understand that if I'm uploading an audio, he doesn't need the thumbnail, so we can skip that part. Because he can't understand that you need to skip that part, it's telling me we have an error, but it's not an error. It's just that you need to understand it's an audio file. So now he's doing a plan to have like some kind of if state. Okay, let's see. So he's saying that he fixed it. Let's go again to preview. Select audio file. And it worked. Great. He's saying upload video, but I'm okay with it. We probably won't have any thumbnail. And he actually simulated it. Let's go to history. And great. He got the idea. I'm really happy with it.